Hi, welcome to another PowerPoint tutorial from Slidehelper. In this video, we are going to create this beautiful animated PowerPoint slide. It is very simple and I am going to show you how to do it. So let's begin. First, we need to create 5 circles. Go to Insert, under Shapes menu, select Oval. Then, while holding down your Shift key, drag and draw a circle. Next, I am going to copy and paste. Now we change our shape fill color. Let me change my color theme. Okay. Now we change our shape fill color. Select the shape and then go to format and change shape fill color. Now we go to size and positions menu. You right click on the shape, then click size and position. You increase size by 10% for each circle. Now we are going to align these shapes. Select all shapes, go to Format tab and under Align, select Align Middle, then again distribute horizontally. Then I am going to open Format Shapes menu and change transparency. You select each circle and then add 10% transparency. Okay, I'm going to align this again. Select all shapes and go to Format and Align Middle and again distribute horizontally. I'm going to add some guides so it is easy for us to design the layout. Now we are going to add some connector lines below the circles. Go to Insert and select Line and we draw a line below each circle. Then I'm going to change weight of each line. Select all, then go to Format Shape, Format, then Shape Outline and change Shape Weight. We are changing line color. Now I am going to add some text boxes. Go to Insert, then select text box and draw a text box. You can change font size. Next, I am going to make few copies of this text box. While holding down your Control key, you can drag. So we are making a copy. Now we align these text boxes You select all, then go to format, under align, then align top. I'm adding the title. Go to insert, then select text box. Now I am going to insert some icons. Go to insert, then select icons, and I am going to select some random icons. After selecting all the icons, click insert. Then I'm going to change shape fields for icons. Select all the icons, again go to format and change graphic fill color. Okay, we are 90% done. Now let's animate. First I am going to select all circles, then go to animations, then click fly in animation. We need to open animation pane. Again I am going to select all 5 animations, and under animations options change animation direction from left. So we are changing animation direction, and again now I am going to change animation settings, changing the duration 1 second, start with previous, and we are going to add 0.25 seconds delay between each animation. And now I am going to select all the animations, then go to effect options and add some bounce effect. You can play around with these settings. Okay. Now we are going to animate icons. Here we add the simple fade animation. I'm going to select all the icons, then go to animations and fade, and change the start with previous. We need to add some delay, 0.25 seconds delay between each fade animation. Okay, this is what we have now. Now we need to animate connector lines. Select, then under animations click wipe and effect options, animate from top. Then start with previous. Now I'm going to animate the text box. Again another fade animation. Start with previous and add some delay effect, 0.25 seconds. We are going to add the same animation for rest of the connect lines and text boxes. So what we did was we first animated all the circles, then we added fade animation for icons, and we add animation for connector line and then text box, again connector line, text box. Okay, we have completed animation part. We are almost done, and now I'm going to add some beauty. Make a copy of the slide. Then I'm going to change slide background to insert pictures, then select a background image from your computer, 3 size image, go to format and under crop tool you can select crop. Send to back. Next, go to insert shapes and select rectangle. And I'm going to change shape fill color. Again send to back. Go to format shapes and under fill, 10% transparency for our shape. Now I'm going to change text color. Select all the text boxes and change text color. Okay. Now we are done. Let's see what we have got. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions please comment below, and if you like this video please like and subscribe our channel for more videos.